Hello guys, today I present to you our Ofada Jollof Rice. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious dish. It has this aromatic flavor with different bursts of tastes. I'll start by introducing our ingredients. Cray fish, blended onions, our peppers. It's already blended, roughly blended, contains satache, also known as bell pepper. This is the locust beans, also known as iruworo, scent leaf, and the local Ofada rice. Salt, cow skin, also known as pomo, assorted meats. Okay, this is our dry fish, seasoning, dry prawns. This is the palm oil. This is our Ofada rice. See, it is brown and green. And then you need to wash it. This particular rice does not contain stone, but the ones in the market have stone. So when washing it, you have to consider that. But for this particular one, it's stone free. So I'm only washing away the dust and sand and chaff. Okay, while washing, make sure you wash it till the water looks clear. So you can wash it like 3 to 4 times and you're good to go. Water looks clear now after rinsing it for like 3 to 4 times. So now you know that your rice is clean. It is washed, it is cleaned already at this point. We're done prepping, guys, so let's start cooking. In the pot, we'll add our washed Ofada rice and add enough water to be able to cook till soft. Add your salt to taste. For your dry fish, you need to boil your hot water and then pour it into the fish so that it's going to remove every form of sand, dirt, dust. Next, we are washing our meat. For the meat, we need to boil it. I'm going to keep it simple with the ingredients by using just garlic, onions, and ginger paste, and salt to taste with seasonings. This is our cow skin, also known as pomo. For this pomo, it will also need to be cooked, so it's going to have a sweet taste. And then right now I'm chopping it. Our pomo has already been chopped and is ready to get cooked. So I'm going to add this pomo into the boiling meat. Please note that the meat is already done, like it's already almost done. So at that point is when I'm adding the pomo. Next, I'll be washing and deboning the fish. So for the fish, you wash it and debone it. You don't want any bone disturbing you while enjoying your meal. Right now I'm washing the fish. The pala or smoked fish, we are also going to debone it and wash it. Okay, so let's check our meat and pomo. Right now you can see that soft and ready. You want to check on your Ofada rice to see that it is getting cooked. Right now the Ofada rice is ready, it's soft and cooked. So drain it with the strainer and allow that to sit for a while. To make the sauce, we'll be bleaching palm oil. Please make sure you use good palm oil. It's very, very important. Make sure you use quality good palm oil so that you get a nice taste. So for the bleaching, it's going to take, let's say, roughly 8 minutes depending on your heat. So it didn't take me much time because I increased the heat here to cover your pot while bleaching your palm oil, because you don't want everywhere smoky. So right now our palm oil has been bleached. This is what you should have, depending on the kind of oil though, but this is my bleached palm oil. Then you fry your assorted meats in it. Once it's fried, you take it out. Then you start frying your ingredients. You add in your chopped onions. You allow it to fry. Still added onions. While the onions is getting fried, we'll add our iru, also known as locust beans, dried prawns. So we want it to fry. You notice I added red oil tea. That's why I said use good palm oil. So now we are going to add our panla fish. So you want all of the combo to fry together. So add the pomo to it. Then we introduce our pepper mix. Allow your pepper mix, you mix it well, then allow to fry. So while that is frying, I'm washing my scent leaves. If you notice, I decided to prep my leaf now because if I cut it before now, it's going to change color to a darker, to look dark. But because I want to maintain the fresh green look, so now I'm adding the seasoning, salt to taste. You can taste at this point for salt, for heat, for whatever, and make your adjustments. So right now I added water to loosen up the sauce, but just a little bit. You want to see that your sauce is still chewy. You don't want it watery. So please be careful when adding water. Then after adding the water, you allow it to cook for a while before you add your boiled rice or your cooked rice. So now we are going to be introducing the rice to the sauce and we are mixing them up together. If you notice right now, I'm adding my dried fish. I intentionally left the fish to this point because I do not want it to disappear in the sauce. I want to eat it like in a chunky way. So that's why I'm adding the fish right now. So now we are going to mix and mix and mix and keep stirring on the fire. Allow it to, stir fry. But after stirring, the next thing you add is your cray fish. Then you add your scent leaves. At this point, your food is already almost ready. So you just stir on the fire again for like 5 to 8 minutes. This is because you want the sauce to be properly cooked with the rice. You want to imagine the taste of this meal? Let me not talk too much. Just try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Thank you all for watching and bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.